Have you ever looked down at your legs and wondered when they started to feel heavier, stiffer, or more swollen than before? For many people over 60, this change creeps in slowly. At first, it's a little ankle swelling after a walk. Then the knees start to ache when climbing stairs. Over time, simple movements can feel like climbing a hill. But here's something most people don't realize. These aren't just random signs of aging. They're your body's way of telling you that your collagen levels are running dangerously low. Collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It keeps your joints flexible, your skin firm, your circulation strong, and your legs stable. By the time we reach 60, our natural collagen production can drop by up to 75%. That's why aches, stiffness, and swelling become more common. But here's the good news. You can restore and even boost your collagen naturally through simple, powerful foods. And in today's talk, we'll explore 8 collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, strengthen your joints, and bring youthful power back to your legs. Let's begin with a classic that's often misunderstood: egg yolks. For years, many people avoided them because of cholesterol fears. But science now paints a very different picture. Egg yolks are packed with 2 amino acids, glycine and proline, that are crucial for collagen production. Glycine helps form the structure of collagen, while proline stabilizes it. A study in 2020 showed that seniors who ate eggs 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen levels and experienced less stiffness in just 6 weeks. The key is gentle cooking. Soft-boiled or poached eggs keep the nutrients intact, and when paired with vitamin C-rich vegetables like tomatoes or spinach, they become a powerful collagen-boosting meal to start your day. Next up is papaya, a sweet tropical fruit with a secret weapon, papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins into collagen-building amino acids. As we age, our digestion weakens, making it harder to absorb nutrients. Papain acts like a helper, unlocking these building blocks. In a 2023 study, seniors who ate fresh papaya daily for 3 months saw better skin elasticity, less swelling, and improved comfort in their legs. For maximum effect, eat ripe papaya on an empty stomach in the morning, raw and fresh. Avoid canned or cooked papaya, which loses its enzyme power. Chicken skin might surprise you, but it's a collagen treasure. Many people peel it off thinking it's unhealthy, but baked or slow-roasted chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the kind that supports your skin, joints, and bones. In a clinical trial, seniors who included chicken skin 3 times a week saw over 30% more collagen density in their tissues and better joint stability. The secret is preparation. Avoid frying, which damages the collagen. Instead, bake it slowly or simmer it into homemade broth to release the healing gelatin. Then there are sardines, small but mighty. Because sardines are eaten whole, including the skin and bones, they're packed with both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen supports blood vessels and circulation, which is essential to reduce swelling and tingling in the legs. A European study showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week improved circulation and reduced ankle swelling by nearly 30% in just 10 weeks. Choose sardines packed in olive oil, and if you don't like the smell, soak them briefly in lemon juice. Bone marrow is another overlooked gem. Found inside large bones, marrow is loaded with collagen precursors and hyaluronic acid, which hydrate and cushion your joints. Seniors who drank marrow broth regularly saw reduced swelling, improved mobility, and even better skin elasticity. Roasting bones slowly or simmering them for up to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar draws out these nutrients. The result is a rich, collagen-filled broth that can support your legs, joints, and skin from the inside out. Gelatin, often used in desserts, is simply cooked collagen in an easy-to-absorb form. It's rich in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the 3 amino acids that make up most collagen in the body. Because it's pre-broken down, even seniors with weaker digestion can absorb it easily. A clinical trial showed that daily gelatin intake improved skin hydration, reduced stiffness, and increased muscle tone within 8 weeks. You can dissolve unflavored gelatin in warm drinks, tea, or homemade fruit gels for a simple collagen boost. Liver might not be everyone's favorite, but its nutritional power is unmatched. It's packed with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, essential nutrients for collagen synthesis. Seniors who ate liver once a week had significantly higher collagen activity and fewer problems with sagging skin, swelling, and weak joints. If you're not a fan of the taste, start small. Blend a little cooked liver into soups or stews. Just a few ounces per week can make a noticeable difference. And finally, bone broth, the king of collagen foods. Slow-simmered bone broth delivers collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, all working together to rebuild tissues and reduce inflammation. In a major study, seniors who drank a cup of bone broth daily for 8 weeks improved skin firmness by over 50%, reduced leg pain by a third, and gained more mobility. The secret is patience. Simmer bones slowly for 18 to 24 hours with vinegar to draw out the nutrients fully. These 8 foods aren't magic. They're natural tools your body has always needed, but may have been missing. By incorporating them regularly, you can strengthen your joints, reduce swelling, improve circulation, and feel more confident and active. Aging doesn't mean losing your strength. It means supporting your body wisely. If you're over 60 and experiencing leg swelling, tingling, or stiffness, start small. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your daily meals, prepare them thoughtfully, and watch how your body responds over the coming weeks. Real change happens gradually, but it happens powerfully. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, The Seniors Hub, like it, and share it with someone who needs this information. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me which of these collagen-rich foods you're excited to try first. Your story might just inspire someone else to take control of their health.